Pinangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang groundbreaking ceremony ng Katiklan Passenger Terminal Building sa probinsya ng Aklan na tiyak na magpapaunlad sa turismo sa rehiyon. Ang detalye ihahatid sa atin ni JB Piedragoza.
Bilang bahagi ng layuning mas mapalakas pa ang turismo at ekonomiya ng bansa, personal na dinaluhan ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang time capsule laying at groundbreaking ceremony ng Katiklan Passenger Terminal Building na ginanap sa Katiklan Airport sa probinsya ng Aklan ngayong araw. Ito ay magsisilbing main gateway papunta sa tanyag na isla ng Boracay.
It would be much easier for our tourists or for any travelers na doon na sila tumungo. Kagaya dito, nandito na diretso na sila dito sa Katiklan. And from here, they can go to Boracay, they can go around and see all of the tourist destinations. Marami rito tourist destination. We can see all of the tourist destinations around the province.
Bahagi ng Katiklan Passenger Terminal, ang two-story building na may kabuang floor area na 36,470 square meter, 6 na passenger boarding bridges at nasa mahigit 30 individual check-in counters. Inaasahan namang mabibigyang serbisyo nito ang mahigit 7 milyong pasahero kada taon. Ayon kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr., hindi lamang ang probinsya ng Aklan ang makikinabang sa oras na matapos ang konstruksyon ng paliparan, kundi maging ang buong rehiyon.
It is not something that is just belonging to one province. It is not just Aklan who is involved in this. It is the entire region that will be assisted by the construction of this terminal building. The influx of people, of travelers, is going to be a big boost to the local economy and, I might add, the national economy.
Dagdag pa ng punong ehekutibo, plano ring ipaayos ng pamahalaan ang ilang mga paliparan sa iba't ibang rehiyon ng bansa.
We are doing the same things for many regional airports. We have been talking about Iloilo. We have made agreements with in Bohol, in Siargao. And there will be others more. Ngayon ay pinag-uusapan pa lang.
Iginiit din niya na simula pa lamang ito ng hakbang ng administrasyon tungo sa mas maunlad na bagong Pilipinas.
And that journey is to bring the Philippines once again to the forefront of the rest of the world. To bring the Philippines once again to the top of mind of the rest of the world. That this is a place where people can invest. This is a place where people can come to have a vacation. This is a place where the businessmen can come and do business to the benefit of their own interests and of course of the country.
Para sa totoong balita sa bagong Pilipinas, JB Piedragoza, Congress News.